Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Rava pudding. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of fine semolina, 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. You will also need a pinch of cardamom powder and a handful of chopped nuts for garnish. Ensure all items are measured and ready before you begin cooking. Next, heat the ghee in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Add the 1 cup of semolina and roast it gently. Stir continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes until it turns a light golden color and releases a fragrant aroma. Be careful not to burn it, as this will affect the pudding's flavor and color. Now, slowly pour in the 2 cups of milk, stirring constantly to prevent lumps from forming. Add the 1/2 cup of sugar and continue to stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Cook the mixture over low to medium heat, stirring frequently, until it thickens to a creamy, pudding-like consistency. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Finally, remove the pudding from the heat and stir in the pinch of cardamom powder for a lovely aroma. You can also add a few drops of vanilla extract if you prefer. Garnish your warm Rava pudding with the chopped nuts, such as almonds or cashews. Serve it warm as a comforting dessert or a delightful breakfast treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.